your partner is cheating on you, you can ask yourself where you did wrong. Sometimes you did nothing. Especially men they can cheat if you did wrong or you wronged him. Sometimes, guys, you can say you are doing the best. Maybe your man, he is not going to cheat. Men, they can go out. Especially, guys, some of the men, they want to have those many wives. So sometimes, guys, men can cheat even you did wrong or something. So you have to relax sometimes. You have to relax because there is nothing wrong you did. Most of the time men they can cheat if you are wrong or you are doing everything to excite him. He can go out, guys. Sometimes there is nothing you did. Maybe you are cooking or doing everything on time, sometimes taking care of him, you are cooking for him, everything, but you will go out as a man. A man is a man sometimes. So we can judge, you can judge yourself why you did wrong. No, you did nothing. Sometimes you did nothing. So sometimes, guys, you don't judge yourself or what you did wrong. Men, they are men, guys. Especially it hurts when your man, maybe he is cheating on you and sometimes he did not respect you. Yeah, it is. Most of the time you can leave that person because it's useless relationship, or your boyfriend, he does not respect you. So most of the time, guys, don't ask yourself why you did wrong. Especially nowadays, take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself. People are sick out there. So sometimes when you, maybe you saw your partner, maybe you are suspecting him that he is cheating, it's better to use plastics. Take care of your health. Other things is nothing sometimes, because you can ask yourself, no, there are, guys, those people are like kids. Sometimes they want to play out and come back home. So sometimes don't ask yourself many questions about what you did wrong to him. You did nothing, but you have to take care of yourself. When you are suspecting your partner, maybe you didn't want to being tested at hospital, because men, they don't want to test it. Especially women, their wives are pregnant. Maybe his wife is negative. His wife is pregnant, is negative. He can say he is also negative, but they don't want to go to clinic and being tested. So why they don't want to being tested? They know most of the time that they will cheat every time. That's why they don't want to being tested. He can say to his wife, go and being tested. So sometimes take care of yourself most of the time, because you have to take care of yourself. Sometimes you did nothing wrong. Men are like kids sometimes.